Statistics 2. Graphical representation of data. Ogive curves or cumulative curves. Normal distribution. Properties of normal distribution curve. Graphical representation of cumulative frequencies distribution. We have already learned various types of graphs in our previous class. We have represented the data through the bar graphs, histograms, and frequency polygons. Let us now represent a cumulative frequency distribution graphically. To represent the data in the table graphically, we mark upper limits of the class intervals on the horizontal x-axis and their corresponding cumulative frequencies on the vertical y-axis, choosing a convenient scale. Let us now plot the point for first class interval. 10 is the upper limit and its related cumulative frequency is 5. Therefore, mark a plot 10, 5 on graph paper. Same way, plot other points on graph paper and join them by freehand smooth curve. The curve we get is cumulative frequency curve or called as ogive. Similarly, we can draw cumulative frequency graph for more than one type also. Now, are these both ogives related to the median in any way? Yes, it is possible to obtain the median of correspondent data from these two cumulative frequency curves. We know the value of n by 2 is 26.5. Draw horizontal dotted line parallel to x-axis on curve graph. And then draw vertical dotted line on x-axis parallel to y-axis from that intersecting point. We get median. There is another way to find median of the related data. Draw both ogives, that is, graph of the less than type and graph of the more than type on the same axis. The two ogives will intersect each others at the point. From this point, if we draw a perpendicular on the x-axis, the point at which it cuts x-axis gives us the median of the given related data. Normal distribution. Normal probability curve is the basis of the further statistical theory. The curve was discovered by famous mathematician Abraham D. Moivre. The mathematical quotient or the formula for the curve was given by Carl Friedrich Gauss. Hence it is called as Gaussian distribution. In the earlier discussion, we have studied how to draw frequency curve. The nature of the curve changes from variable to variable. Some patterns of the curve are given below. This frequency curve shows weight of individuals, height of adult individuals, intelligence quotient, error in the measurement of length of manufactured item, etc. This frequency curve shows income of family, profit of company, electricity consumption, etc. This frequency curve shows the score of candidate in competitive examination. This curve is very commonly observed. Hence, it is called as normal probability curve. The corresponding probability distribution is called as normal distribution or Gaussian distribution. Properties of normal probability curve. The normal curve is symmetric around the mean. It is bell-shaped. Mean is exactly at the center. Mean divides the curve in two identical parts. Hence, it is median. The curve reaches its peak at mean. Hence, it is mode. Mean, mode, median coincide. Curve tapers at both the end around x-axis, but it never meets x-axis. As mean increases, curve shifts to right side. Similarly, if mean decreases, curve shifts to left side. If spread of the data is more, curve elongates more on both sides equally. On the other hand, if spread is reduces, the curve will have shorter tails. The total area bounded by the normal probability curve and x-axis is considered as 1 unit. Summary. In this subtopic, we have learned ogive curves or cumulative curves, normal distribution, properties of normal distribution curve. That is all in this topic. I think you enjoyed this lesson very much. Keep learning.